Ready to transform your home with natural materials? In this video on sustainable interior design, I'll show you how to create stylish, eco-friendly spaces that are both beautiful and better for the planet. Imagine walking into a home that feels warm, inviting, and connected to nature, where every detail, from the furniture to the decor, reflects your commitment to sustainability. That's exactly what we're exploring today. We'll talk about how you can use materials like reclaimed wood, organic textiles, and natural stone to craft spaces that are not only elegant but also environmentally responsible. This isn't just about trends, it's about creating a home that resonates with your values and stands out for its timeless charm. You'll discover creative ideas for every corner of your house, from the living room to the bedroom, with practical tips you can start applying right away. And here's a little teaser. Did you know that certain plants and materials can purify the air in your home while also enhancing its style? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration and know how you need to create a home that's as kind to the planet as it is to the people who live in it. Let's get started. When we think about transforming our homes with natural materials, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that feels alive, welcoming, and grounded in sustainability. Let's start with one of the most impactful materials you can use, wood. But not just any wood, we're talking about reclaimed and sustainably sourced options. Reclaimed wood, for example, has a charm that's impossible to replicate. It carries a sense of history, with textures and imperfections that make every piece unique. You could use it for anything: hardwood floors, furniture, or even feature walls that become the focal point of your room. Sustainably sourced wood, on the other hand, allows you to bring nature indoors without depleting its resources. Look for certifications like FSC, which ensures that the wood has been harvested responsibly. Imagine a dining table crafted from ethically sourced oak or pine, serving as the centerpiece for family dinners and celebrations. Not only does it tell a story, but it also creates a connection to nature right in your home. Next, let's talk about textiles. Your choice of fabrics can completely redefine the vibe of a room, and opting for natural options like organic cotton, linen, or hemp can do wonders. These materials aren't just sustainable, they feel luxurious and are better for your health because they're free from synthetic chemicals. Think about adding soft, breathable linen curtains that let in natural light while offering privacy, or switching out your synthetic bed sheets for organic cotton ones that are gentle on your skin and the environment. Even a simple swap like adding hemp cushions to your sofa can create a cozy, eco-friendly touch. And then there's the magic of natural stone. Whether it's marble countertops, slate tiles, or sandstone accents, stone has a timeless appeal that's perfect for creating an elegant yet grounded atmosphere. What makes it even better is its durability. It's a material that will last for decades, reducing the need for replacements and waste. Imagine walking into a kitchen where the countertops and backsplash are made from polished granite, or a bathroom with a stunning natural stone basin. It's these details that elevate your home while keeping it aligned with sustainable principles. Let's not forget the smaller but equally important touches. Incorporating natural materials into your decor can be as simple as adding a rattan pendant light, a bamboo rug, or a set of woven baskets for storage. These elements not only tie your space together but also serve as subtle reminders of your commitment to eco-friendly living. And the best part? They're versatile enough to complement any design style, from minimalist to bohemian. By focusing on materials like wood, textiles, and stone, you're not just making your home more beautiful, you're creating a sanctuary that reflects your values and your love for the planet. And this is just the beginning. There's so much more you can do to enhance your home with natural, sustainable elements. When you're designing a sustainable home, it's not just about the materials you use, but also about how you bring them together to create a cohesive and functional space. Let's dive deeper into how these choices can transform different areas of your home, starting with the living room. This is often the heart of the house, where you relax, entertain, and spend quality time. Using natural materials here can make the space feel warmer and more inviting. Picture a reclaimed wood coffee table paired with a wool or jute area rug. Add a few organic cotton throw pillows in neutral tones, and you've instantly created a cozy, eco-friendly atmosphere. To enhance the living room even further, think about adding plants. Not only do they bring a touch of nature indoors, but they also improve air quality and create a sense of tranquility. Consider placing a tall potted plant like a fiddle leaf fig in a corner or using smaller succulents and herbs on shelves and tables. You can even get creative with hanging planters or vertical gardens, which are perfect for smaller spaces. These natural elements breathe life into the room while blending beautifully with sustainable materials. Moving into the bedroom, this is where comfort meets sustainability. The bed is the centerpiece, so why not opt for an organic latex mattress topped with bamboo or organic cotton bedding? These materials are hypoallergenic and incredibly comfortable, ensuring a restful night's sleep while being kind to the environment. Wooden bed frames, especially those made from reclaimed or FSC-certified wood, add a natural touch that complements soft, breathable fabrics. For the finishing touches, consider woven baskets for storage and linen drapes that let in just the right amount of light while maintaining privacy. The kitchen is another area where natural materials shine. Countertops made from materials like quartz, soapstone, or recycled glass not only look stunning but are also durable and sustainable. Cabinets crafted from bamboo or reclaimed wood bring warmth and character to the space. For the floors, cork is a fantastic option. It's renewable, comfortable underfoot, and adds a unique texture to your kitchen design. And don't forget about the details. Using wooden utensils, ceramic dishware, and glass storage jars can tie everything together while reducing reliance on plastic. Even the bathroom can benefit from sustainable choices. A vanity made from natural stone or reclaimed wood sets the tone for an eco-friendly oasis. Pair it with fixtures in brushed metal for a modern yet timeless look. Towels made from organic cotton or bamboo are soft, absorbent, and sustainable. Add some greenery with moisture-loving plants like ferns or peace lilies to create a spa-like atmosphere. And for a truly luxurious touch, consider a bathtub made from stone or copper, materials that are as beautiful as they are durable. These choices might seem small individually, but when combined, they create a home that feels cohesive, intentional, and deeply connected to nature. Each room tells a story, not just of style but of responsibility and care for the planet. It's amazing how these thoughtful decisions can make your home not only more beautiful but also a reflection of your values and love for sustainable living. And the best part? Every design choice you make brings you closer to creating a home that's uniquely yours, a space that's both functional and inspiring. When it comes to sustainable interior design, it's not just about selecting natural materials for the aesthetic appeal or eco-friendly benefits, it's also about understanding how to integrate these choices into a lifestyle that aligns with sustainability. This is where the magic happens, as we turn our focus toward harmonizing function, style, and environmental responsibility to create spaces that are truly transformative. Let's start by exploring the role of lighting in sustainable design. Natural light is your best friend. Maximizing sunlight in your home not only reduces energy consumption but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that artificial lighting simply can't replicate. Consider sheer, lightweight curtains made from linen or organic cotton that allow daylight to flood your rooms while maintaining privacy. Skylights and strategically placed windows can enhance natural illumination, making your space feel open and alive. For the evenings, look for LED lighting options. They're energy efficient and come in a wide range of styles to match any design preference. Furniture placement also plays a key role in sustainable living. Arranging your rooms to make the most of natural airflow can reduce the need for fans or air conditioning. Place seating areas near windows to enjoy natural ventilation, and use furniture with low profiles to keep the space feeling airy and uncluttered. Choosing multifunctional furniture, such as a sofa bed or an ottoman with storage, helps minimize the number of pieces you need, which is another step toward reducing waste. Now let's talk about accessories. When decorating, consider how your choices impact the environment. Look for handmade or artisan-crafted pieces that support local communities and use sustainable materials. A hand-woven basket made from natural fibers can double as a chic storage solution, while pottery and ceramics can bring a touch of uniqueness and warmth to any room. Vintage and second-hand items are not only budget-friendly but also prevent usable items from ending up in landfills. And don't overlook the power of upcycling. Repurposing old items into something fresh and functional is a creative and sustainable way to decorate. Finally, think about the bigger picture. Incorporating sustainability into your home isn't just about the materials or products, it's a mindset. It's about choosing quality over quantity, timeless over trendy. Instead of chasing the latest fads, focus on designs that resonate with your personal style and stand the test of time. The less you need to replace, the less impact you'll have on the environment. By making these intentional choices, you're not only enhancing your living space but also contributing to a larger movement towards sustainability. Every item you select, every design decision you make, tells a story of care, not just for your home but for the world around you. It's a journey that's as rewarding as the results, giving you a home that reflects not only who you are but also the future you're helping to build. The beauty of sustainable design lies in its balance between elegance and responsibility, style and substance, the now and the future. So, as we wrap up, remember that creating a sustainable home isn't about making huge sacrifices or compromising on style. It's about making thoughtful, intentional choices that bring us closer to a more eco-friendly and harmonious lifestyle. From natural materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and stone to simple, yet impactful changes like adding plants and optimizing lighting, each decision you make can help transform your home into a space that's not only beautiful but also better for the planet. It's clear that sustainability in interior design is not just a passing trend, but a movement toward creating spaces that respect and reflect the world we live in. By embracing natural materials and sustainable design practices, you're not only enhancing your home's aesthetic but also supporting the environment in meaningful ways. Whether you're redecorating a living room, refreshing a kitchen, or designing your dream bedroom, every little bit counts. And the best part? These changes don't have to be overwhelming. With a few mindful choices, you can create a space that feels authentically you while also making a positive impact. I hope today's video has inspired you to look at your home in a new light, to think about how each element, from furniture and fixtures to the smallest accessories, can work together to create a cohesive, sustainable, and eco-friendly environment. It's about more than just design, it's about making conscious decisions that will benefit not only your lifestyle but also the future of the planet. Remember, the beauty of sustainable design is that it's not a destination but a journey. Every small step you take moves you closer to a greener, more sustainable home, and with each change, you're contributing to a much larger movement of environmental responsibility. If you're ready to take the next step, be sure to check out the links in the description below for even more resources and ideas to help you on your journey towards sustainable living. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiration on sustainable interior design. Also, make sure to explore our Warm Minimalist Spaces playlist for more design tips that merge style and sustainability. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.